Morning, so I'm forcing myself out the door this morning. This is a proper winter cycling vlog, as I say, so I've got to get out the door. So I'm going to be doing a route that I usually do on my mountain bike, on my gravel bike, because I don't want to get the mountain bike muddy and the gravel bike is already filthy. I really didn't want to go out the door, but I just need to get on with it. I want to do the festive 500 in a couple of weeks, so if I'm not getting out now, the weather is either going to have to get better for that, or I'm going to have to man up, and I think I'm going to have to man up. So I will see you on the trail. Here goes nothing then. It's all about, look at that. So while that looked awful, it weren't as bad as I thought it would be. Like I say, sometimes it's the idea of getting outside that's worse than actually getting outside and getting on with it. Sometimes I find my predictions are correct and it's flipping hideous, but it's not too bad. Nearly crashed. These tyres aren't the best in the mud. Probably would have been better off with the mountain bike, but it's good fun sliding around. This is ace. Nearly again. So there's actually a perfectly good cycle path here, but this is more fun. I think this is one of them moments where it's better to climb over there. Otherwise I will be sinking. I wonder if I could... No, that's probably not going to work. I was thinking about just getting straight on the bike over the fence. Probably end in disaster. Up there, so it might not look like much, but that's probably one of the highest points around near where I live. That's how flat it is. I call it Croft Mountain for a bit of a laugh. It's not really a mountain. It's like, there it is there. This is just the first part. I'm out of gears. Ah, shit. This is the best way to climb it. I'll see you at the top. Oh, slipping up. Ready? Failed. It's so slippy. Oh. I'm not sure if I'm even going to be able to push. That actually hurt quite a bit. Don't worry, the bike's okay, I think. It's so windy up here. It's insane. I think I'm going to leave it here and I'm going to cycle home. So I'll see you